Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung TV without using the remote. Yep, you heard that right. If you've lost your remote or it's just not working, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, make sure your TV is turned on. Now locate the control buttons on the back or the side of your TV. These buttons vary by model, but usually you'll see a power button, volume controls, and a menu button. Press and hold the menu button for about 10-15 seconds. You should see a menu appear on the screen. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu options. Look for something that says Settings or Support. Once you're there, use the power button to select it. Next, find the Self-Diagnosis or Reset option. Again, use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select. You'll probably be asked to enter a PIN. If you haven't set one, the default is usually 0000 or 1234. Finally, confirm the reset. This will reset your TV to its factory settings, just like it was when you first bought it. Easy, right? Remember, a factory reset will erase all your settings and apps, so make sure this is really what you want to do. Thanks for watching.